India's inflation crashed to 2.1% in June 2025, which is the lowest in last 6 years. Inflation. Why does this happen? Is it because of us, the consumers, or is it because of the producers? See, basically inflation can happen because of us also or the producers also. When it happens because of us, it is known as demand pull inflation. It means that we are pulling the prices up. That is why it is known as demand pull inflation. Let's say suddenly we get a lot of money in our hand. मेरे pocket में बहुत सारा पैसा आ गया. क्या करूँगी? खर्च करूँगी. And if I start demanding, and like this, a lot of people with me start demanding more and more of goods, but the supply is unable to match it, right? There will be a situation of excess demand, right? And demand is pulling the prices up, and we know that when there is excess demand, the prices rises, right? The prices rise, right? So this is known as demand pull inflation. Now, another situation, we know that India imports more than 85% of, crude oil from outside of the country. So let's say the global oil prices, they become very expensive, because of which now what will happen? Producers के लिए महंगा हो गया तो burden तो consumers पे डालेंगे. तो क्या करेंगे? उनकी cost तो ऊपर push हो गई ना, तो cost क्या कर रहा है? नीचे से push कर रहा है prices को ऊपर. Okay, so costs are pushing the prices upwards, because of which what will happen? Now the producers are putting the burden on consumers, because of which the prices increase. तो आपके लिए petrol and diesel क्या हो जाएगा? Expensive. This is known as cost push inflation. Okay, so now when we talk about inflation, it can happen because of demand pull also and cost push also. Now you tell me in the comment section, why does the food inflation in the country happens? Is it because of demand side or supply side?